precisely and accurate that entry was that the system took for us. All right, so sniper entries using our copy trade systems, guys. And remember, everything my account does will be copied to your account. So when I've completed this system, guys, there's a lot of good stuff in store. So
I won't give up this, cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
hey guys, Pablo Pips Effects here. Welcome to another video from Forge for Beginners. So it's been a while since I posted, and been working on the copy trade system that I promised you guys. Right now I have the system working on synthetic indices. So I have a few trades open on VIX 100, 75, and VIX 10, and this is all the system doing this for me. I didn't open these by myself. I had the system set up and is running on a demo account, a virtual account for now, and these are the results so far. Now, it's not yet complete, although it does look pretty good, but as you can see, it has a few bugs that I'm currently trying to work out, communicating a few stuff with the developers as well. As you can see, with Volatility 100, while we have a trade in profit for $148, we have another one, a buy trade with a loss of $103 drawdown. All right, so I'm still watching this because, like I said, this is in a testing phase. Been telling you guys that it's in a testing phase. So what I'm actually doing right now is watching to see how these trades play out on the account. All right, so right now we're still in profit, so it is performing pretty good. Like I said, this is the first day running it on the synthetic indices, and so far so good. But I'm still watching it. So until I see steady results, I won't actually be releasing it publicly as yet. All right, so just wanted to provide an update regarding this and let you guys know what is currently happening. I might be making exceptions for a few persons to get connected to the system, because once you actually learn and understand how the system works, you'll realize that it's literally a no-brainer being a part of this system. So right now, this is probably one of the most wanted systems right now for synthetic indices for VIX and the Deriv brokers. This is an expert advisor that is able to trade VIX 75, VIX 100, VIX 10, majority of the volatility indexes. This expert advisor, this system is able to trade that. All right, but like I said, it has a few things I'm still working out. As you can see, once it's connected to your account, you'll see that comment there on each trade that is open. That's my special branding for my expert advisor. So you'll know that you'll be connected to the system. Once a trade open, you can just check the comment and you'll know that the system opened that trade for you. Okay, so that is just a cool way to kind of see what's going on there. Yeah guys, but separate and apart from that, I want to go ahead and show you guys like just a little bit of how exactly this system works and why it's actually a no-brainer. So if we go to VIX 100, let's take a look at VIX 100 and see what is happening on that chart. All right, let's see. So VIX 100 right now, we're on the 5-minute chart for VIX 100, and as you can see, the trend has been downward for a while now. This is the 1-hour chart, and as you can see, it's making a downtrend right here, and you can actually, I'm trying to get my tools up. Right. So from here to here, you see that the market has been in a steady downtrend going down. All right. Well, let's just see if we can zoom in a bit. So you see, guys, the market is currently doing a thing like this. So this is right the support, the resistance there. Market is touching and just bouncing off that line of resistance right there. So we also see a level of support in which it's trying to break as well, and you can identify that level of support which it's trying to penetrate by just drawing a line right to these levels, right here to the body. Okay, so from what I'm seeing right here, you can see that it broke that, it retested that, and it's trying to push right down to this line right here. Alright, so that will be a strong point of buying pressure right there, because this is our 200 moving average, and once price gets to these areas, normally there is heavy resistance. Alright, because what that is saying, what the 200 moving average is saying, is that on the higher time frames above the 4-hour chart, we're still seeing a buying movement all the way up. Alright, we're still having strong bullish pressure all the way up. Okay, so that is the purpose of that 200 moving averages, just to kind of show you where the overall trend is currently going. But just diving into this a bit more, guys, as you can see, my entries are all the way up at the top right here. Really good entries, actually. So my sell entry was right here, the one that's currently in profit, and my buy entry was right here. Like I said, this is the system who took these trades, but I want to show you guys exactly where these entries are. So that's the real beauty. The entries are the beauty, guys. So as you can see, entry 1 right here, my first entry, the sell, that occurred right after price had separated. All right, right after price had broken my 200 moving average. All right, so look at how precisely and accurate that entry was that the system took for us. All right, so sniper entries using our copy trade system, guys, and remember, everything my account does will be copied to your account. So when I've completed this system, guys, there's a lot of good stuff in store. Separate and apart from that, this system will also be generating our signals for our Telegram group. So it will be for both synthetic indices and forex pairs, guys. So again, a lot of good things in store. If you do want exclusive access to this system, just to get access to test it out, you can go ahead and send me a message either on Telegram or send me an email. I'll be more than happy just to get back to you guys regarding that. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is the system that I'm just trying to perfect for you guys. So far so good, but note that the system is entering trades with the trend. Alright, so this system, alright, or system actually trades with the trend. And if you know anything about forex, the trend is your friend. And once you trade with the trend, guys, you'll experience less drawdown. So this is a low drawdown kind of system. So I'm really proud of it, and I'm really proud of it. That's why I'm trying to just have it perfected before I can actually get you guys fully connected. The Forex version for this is fully up and finalized. If you guys want access to the Forex version of this, go ahead and send me an email or comment down below. I'll be sure to get to you. Okay, so yeah guys, that's basically it for now. If this video was informative for you in any ways, guys, please, I urge you just to give it a like and subscribe for future content from us. Like I said, a lot of tutorials coming out, technical analysis where the market is concerned, a lot of support and resistance, overbought, oversold, where to identify entries and exits, a lot of stuff, guys. So until then, I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.